Pasta Fagioli originated as an Italian peasant dish, making it perfect for anyone trying to make a great meal on a budget. Welcome back to my kitchen, where we will use a stripped down recipe that will not only give you dinner for days, but also offers an easy recipe to follow with little time spent actively attending to the dish. Start by dicing some veg, easy enough to just throw this in the food processor, but a knife works just as well. With about 5 carrots, first we'll peel off the bitter skins, don't want those in the soup. Cut the carrots into bite-sized quarter to half-inch chunks. Next, chop up 1 large white onion. No need for a fine dice before adding 5 cloves of garlic roughly chopped. Set that aside and we can move over to the stovetop. In a large soup pot, I'm using a Dutch oven, brown 1 to 1.5 pounds of ground mild Italian sausage. It is just as common to not use meat as to use it in pasta fagioli. If you don't want to use any meat, double the amount of beans and add some chili flakes later. Once that's finished cooking, we'll use a slotted spoon to take out the sausage and leave the fat in the pot. Next, we'll use the fat left behind to fry the veg. Into the pot it goes and keep it moving until the garlic becomes fragrant and the onion is translucent. One of the many reasons this recipe is easy to make is the low amount of dishes used, as most of the work here is done in our pot. The second reason is our use of some canned vegetables as well. Add in 2 16-ounce cans of Great Northern beans. Some people would strain off the liquid they come in, but I think it just adds more flavor to the broth. Add in a 16-ounce can of Petite diced tomatoes and pour in about 1.5 cups of chicken stock to get everything covered and bring the soup up to a boil. Once it's boiling, drop the temperature down to a simmer and add back in our sausage before seasoning. I'm using all dried herbs, a decent amount of salt, pepper, basil, oregano, thyme, and parsley. You want the broth to be full of flavor because the flavor will be cut by the rest of the ingredients. Give it a taste and season accordingly. I added more thyme and oregano. While I'm seasoning, I have a pot of water boiling a portion of Ditalini Pasta and another sauteing some spinach. When the pasta and spinach is ready, we can serve. Add in a portion of your pasta to a bowl and top with spinach. Ladle over your hot soup and finish with some freshly grated Parmesan and black pepper. And, most importantly, never forget to serve your peasant soup without a nice crusty peasant loaf. If you like this video, consider watching another. If you want to see more recipes in the future, hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.